To see about string methods in JavaScript. Actually, in JavaScript there are many string methods, but these are the commonly used string methods that we can see. First one is caret. Caret is nothing but we can pass inside that a particular index value. Index value start from 0. It will return the specified index in a string. That means if you are passing it as a 7, then it will return w, because it will take comma as one value, and then space also it will takes. Based upon it will count and then will return a one single value. We'll console it once. Console dot log of char. While running this, we can able to see we get w. If you're running it as passing 6, then we can get a space. If you pass 8, then we can get o. So if you want any particular index, then we can pass it like this. And also we have next one is char code at of index. This is nothing but same as caret, but it will return the Unicode values of that particular letter. For example, in this str char code at 7 will reference with w, it will return the Unicode value of that. So Unicode value of this will be 87. We can pass this here and we are getting 87. If you are passing 8, then it will return the Unicode value of o. So based upon that we can do. And then next one is concatenation. Concatenation is nothing but we can combine 2 or more strings and it will return a new string values. In this we are having str1 and str2. Then it will, with the help of comma separated, it will split this like hello comma world. We can console this once. We can get hello comma world. If you are passing multiple strings, it will text. So this is one concatenation values. And next one is index of. In this index of, if you want any search string that want to start with particular index you want means, then you can call this index of. It will return the index of the first occurrence of a substring with a string. For example, we are passing world as a substring, so it will search the world will start index. The start index of world is 7, so it will return 7. So once we can console it once. Actually we can pause here index, and then the world value will be, it start from 7. If we can add something coding here and we copy this and paste it here, then it will return 14, because this C value starting letter will be, index will be 14. So that's why it returning 14. And also next one, it will return last index of. We can pass search string. This is the search string. It will return the last index value. That means this world D, because this will contain exclamatory, so it won't perfectly match it for here. So it will return 13. That also we can console it here. It will return 14 because we are passing some kind of space here, so it will return 13. And next one is slice. Slice is, it will extract the partition of the string and it will return the values. For example, you can pass start index and end index. You are passing 0 to 5, then it will return hello world. If you are passing 7, then some word 13 like means it will extract from that starting value to that ending value. We can see here. Actually str dot slice of 0 is h, and then up to 5 means it will count 0 1 2 3 4 5 up to comma it will print. We want to pass slides here, and then we can able to get this. Yeah, up to 5 means it will print up to 4. Then if you can change it as 5, and then here you can pass it as 13, something like this, then it will start from this comma space and up to this 13 it will print. So this is the slice one. And then we can, next one is substring. Substring we can pass as start index and end index. It is also similar to slice, but it does not contain the negative values. So if you're passing from 7 to 12, it will start from W and then it ends at D. So it will print like this. And the next one is sub str. It also contains start index and it contains length. It extracts a specified number of characters from a string starting at a specified index. So if you are passing 7 means it will take from W and then it will, after that it will count 5 letters. So this is the length of that. Actually we can copy this and paste it here and consolidate this sub. So if we are starting it from 3 and the next one will be 5 means it will take LO comma and then the space as one character and then W. So after that it will print 5 letters. If you are passing it as 7, then it will print 7 letters. So based upon this increment, it will return the value. We can also pass dot index. We can pass 3 comma. Then it will print like this. And next one is to uppercase. To uppercase is nothing but it convert all the strings to uppercase, because it contains some uppercase letters and some small letters. So if you want to change it completely, then it will change like this. And also this is to lowercase of. If you want to change the whole string as to lowercase, then it will works. We can call it this str dot to lowercase of. And then next one is splice. Splice is little huge topic, like we can see this. Splice method, we can add some kind of arrays, and also we can remove the elements from an arrays. So those things will help. This is the basic syntax for slice. We can call that array dot splice, and we can pass the start index, and then we can pass delete count, like how many elements we need to pass, and these are the item 1 and item 2 etc. up to we can add anything, which are the elements we are going to add into that particular array. And then here are some example. We can see that actually removing elements from an array, particularly this is an array, how we can remove the elements from an array while using slice. Actually this is that array value. We can, in this array value we are going to remove 2 elements. So actually this 2 is the starting index. So starting index means 0 1 2. From that it will delete 2 elements. So it will delete 2 elements means it will delete 3 and 4. This is the starting index. This is the delete count. So 0 1 2. So from 3 and 4, these are 2 elements. It will remove 2 3 and 4, and it will modify the original array. So it will return, will print number here means it will return 1 2 and 5. 1 2 and 5. So with the help of splice we can modify that original array. And also how we can adding element into an array. It contains like, we can copy this. This fruits contains apple, banana and cherry. In this we are going to take the start index from 2. So 0 1 2, this cherry, we are removing 0 element, so it will be stay there. In that place we are adding or orange and grapes. So in this place orange and grape will replace, and then cherry will go to this last. So this kind we can add the elements. Actually this first one is start index, so we are starting it from cherry. This is the delete count, it is 0, so it won't delete any element. And we are going to add this orange and grape in the second position, and this cherry will move to afterwards. So this is the splice methods. And also we can replace element in an array. That how we can do is, we have one kind of array. We have that color is red, green and blue. The start index is 1, so it start from green. It will delete one element. That one element is green, then it will replace there to yellow. So this is start index. This is count of elements to delete in that particular position, and this is all the elements we can add. So if you want to add some elements, that also you can add here, then it will add here as well. So this is a replacement elements, and also you can removing elements and adding new ones, like simultaneously you can add. Actually, here is an animal, cat, dog. This is a start index, so it's start from dog. We want to delete one element, that is dog. In this position it will replace to lion and tiger. It is replaced, and then elephant will go last. So while running we can get cat, lion, and then tiger, elephant. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.